Chapter 1: The Average Relationship Length. Have you ever wondered how long an average relationship lasts, or how our digital interactions impact our romantic involvements? The answers might surprise you. Our journey begins with a look at relationships' average length. Believe it or not, this is a mere 2 years and 9 months. Yes, you heard it right. For a relationship to be considered long-term, it needs to surpass the 2-year mark. But here's the catch: a whopping 70% of relationships don't even make it past the first year. Chapter 2: The Impact of Social Media on Relationships. Now, let's turn our attention to a fascinating correlation. 79% of people who ended their relationships were found to be active social media users. One can't help but ask, is there a link between our virtual lives and our real-world relationships? Chapter 3: Dynamics of Marriage and Divorce. In the realm of marriage, the dynamics are a bit different. The average length of first marriages that end in divorce is 8 years. What's behind this? It turns out, as our needs evolve over time, the structure of our relationships may not keep up. The key, it seems, is to heed the signs of restlessness and use them as a guide to update our relationship contracts. Chapter 4: Sexual Experiences and Statistics. Now, let's tread into the territory of sexual experiences. A surprising 1.5% of men in their 40s have paid for sex in the last year. Among men who have served in the military, this number jumps to a staggering 23.3%. Overall, 14% of men have paid for sex at some point in their lives. On the other side of the coin, 11.5% of women between the ages of 18 to 44 report having at least one same-sex experience in their lifetime. For men in the same age bracket, 6% have engaged in oral or anal sex with another man at some point. What about virginity, you ask? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that virgins constitute 12.3% of females and 14.3% of males between the ages of 20 to 24. This number drops drastically with age, falling to under 5% for both genders between 25 to 29, and to a mere 0.3% for those aged 40 to 44. Chapter 5: One-Night Stands. And finally, let's talk about one-night stands. A direct study reveals that 66% of people surveyed admitted to having had a one-night stand. To sum up, our relationships and sexual experiences are as diverse as we are, shaped by a myriad of factors from the digital world to our changing needs over time. The key, it seems, lies in understanding these dynamics and adapting to them. Because, at the end of the day, it's these experiences that make us human.